Check out this gorgeous black fluted cabinet with storage. This piece is beautiful on its own, but you could also stack 3 together to make a beautiful sideboard buffet. It goes perfectly in a living room, kitchen, or a bedroom. I was able to put this together all by myself. It had very clear instructions as well as all the pieces needed laid out in nice little bags. The whole piece feels super sturdy and it has solid wood legs, and the rest is made up of MDF. It has these cool hooks on the back which can slide back and forth, and then you can attach the cabinet right to the wall so that way it doesn't tip over. There is so much room to tidy away all of your items, which would be great for shoes, toys, or even office supplies. The shelf inside can even be adjusted to fit your certain height. I love being able to style this piece. It looks so beautiful with all of my favorite treasures. The black finish with the gold handles gives it such an elegant touch. The doors are also fully adjustable, so if you'd like to minimize the gap in the middle, the company gives you very clear instructions on how to do so. One of the best features is the magnetic closure. So here you see there's a magnet on the door and a magnet on the inside of the shelf. That way it will never swing open. And the doors have a nice soft hinge close. This shelf has the perfect blend of functionality and beautiful aesthetic style that will fit into any space.